Hello, my name is Adam Martinac, and I'm going to go over with you my widget, why I designed it the way I did, some of the processes that I use to make sure that the widget I create is superior to the ones that the in-class students created. So first I wanted to touch on the specifications of the customer again. We were told that the customer likes flowers, likes the flute, and also likes the color pink. So I took all of these factors into consideration in order to create the widget that meets all of the customer specifications, and also a widget that is of the highest quality and built at the lowest cost possible. So what I like to show you, the first step, to start off the printing process, I use Microsoft Word to find images that related to what the customer wanted. And so those included a flute, seen up here, and flowers, seen along this side. So we have a couple of each. Notice the flowers are pink. And also another requirement was the 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch X that was located in the center of the paper along the seam. This is also printed to ensure it is accurate and always in the location that it should be. Also, we use gauges and tools to produce our widget here. So with that said, I'll get into the manufacturing process and show why we create the best product or best widget that meets the specifications that was given to us. So like I previously noted, we start with a piece of paper with the images the customer requested printed on it. And so the first step of the process will be to roll the paper into the 1/2 inch diameter long ways, and you're also going to roll the edge towards the X, and so that's the key indicator there. So you start the rolling process. When you get the roll to be fairly tight, I use a pencil and insert it in the end of the roll, and this allows the operator to get a feel and turn the widget tighter. Well, once they think that they've gotten the widget where it needs to be, they can remove the pencil from the end, and then we move to our check gauge to make sure that it's made to the proper diameter. Now the diameter called out was a 1/2 inch diameter, and so what I've created is a basically go no-go gauge that is a 1/2 inch cutout from a piece of cardstock. And what this allows to do is once the operator thinks that they've achieved the proper roll diameter, they can slide it through this to make sure it's a 1/2 inch. So you take your widget, it should fit right into the check gauge. So I kind of give you an idea to make sure it's within a 1/2 inch. Once the roll has reached the proper diameter, tape is applied along the seam to ensure that it won't come apart, and then a paper clip is added to the end. I added a pink paper clip just to add a little something to the customer's specifications or requirements that they like pink. Other options, if the customer was not happy with this layout, we could work with them digitally or electronically. Using Microsoft Word, they have a lot of options for pink, for flowers, and for flutes. So we could work with the customer in order to make sure that they're getting exactly what they want. That also eliminates a lot of waste because now we don't have to create dozens of prototypes in order to make sure that the customer is happy with their product. Thanks for listening.